This video will show you how to easily make twisted models in Blender. Please watch to the very end. As a good example, we are going to produce this shape. When you open Blender, first delete the default cube. Press Shift-A and add a cylinder. Come down to the Settings panel and reduce the radius to 0.2. Now make the depth 6. So press Tab and go to the Edit mode. Press Ctrl-R to add some edge loops. Make sure the subdivisions are almost making squares with the existing edge loops. Click to assign them. Press A to select all, then G to move the shape somewhere here. Now press Shift-D then X to duplicate it along the X-axis. Press A to select all, then press Shift-D then Y to duplicate along the Y-axis. Press Tab to go back to the object mode. Come to the modifier properties. Add a simple deform modifier. It is always set to twist by default, so leave it there. Set the axis to Z. As you increase the angle, the twist will also increase. So let's first leave it to 360 degrees. Now let's add another simple deform modifier. This time let's set it to bend. You can change its axis to X or Y. If you adjust the angle, the bend will also increase. Let's go to the first modifier and multiply this angle by 2 to make it 720. Now you can see that the first twist is increased. So come to Object and Shade Auto Smooth. Now you can go ahead to assign materials and render. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.